Hi, today I am going to tell you how to get your dates into Words in Excel without using any VBA code. There are many ways to get this usage including VBA code, but it's pretty a bit task. In this video I will show you how it can be done with only Excel formula. Let us see that. I'm going to type a date here that is 5 December 2005. Now look to next cell. See here. This will be generated in words. See this code here. Wow, it's a bit lengthy, but no problem. You have to only copy-paste it into your file. Now we may go for another example. January 1st, 1999. January 1999. 29 September 1990. It all have a cool effect. You only have to copy-paste this formula. I have given it in description box. You have only to replace cell reference that is A2 as your 1. It will be about 15 times in this formula. But still it's a cool and simple task. Formula I have given this in my description box along with a downloadable link of the work file. And if you are using Microsoft Excel version 2021, you have much an easier formula. Check its video in I button on top. If you found this useful, please consider subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.